Developing strategies for protecting library data and networks from cyber threats. Introduction. In the digital era, libraries have evolved into technologically advanced information centers that rely heavily on computer networks, digital databases, and online services. While this transformation has improved access to information, it has also increased vulnerability to cyber threats such as hacking, malware, phishing, and data breaches. Therefore, developing effective strategies for protecting library data and networks is essential to ensure the security, integrity, and confidentiality of information. Need for cybersecurity strategies in libraries. Libraries manage sensitive data, including user information, digital collections, and institutional research outputs. Unauthorized access or data breaches can lead to loss of information, violation of privacy, and damage to the library's reputation. Moreover, libraries often provide open access to networks and computers, which increases the risk of cyber attacks. Hence, a well-planned cybersecurity strategy is necessary to safeguard digital infrastructure and maintain user trust. Key strategies for protecting library data and networks. 1. Strong access control and authentication. One of the most important strategies is implementing strict access control mechanisms. Libraries should ensure that only authorized users can access sensitive systems and data. This includes the use of strong passwords, multi-factor authentication, and role-based access control. For example, administrative access to library management systems should be restricted to trained staff only. 2. Network security measures. Libraries must secure their networks through the use of firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and secure Wi-Fi configurations. Public access networks should be separated from internal systems to prevent unauthorized access. For instance, a library can provide guest Wi-Fi for users while keeping its internal database servers on a separate secure network. 3. Regular software updates and patch management. Outdated software is a major source of security vulnerabilities. Libraries should regularly update their operating systems, library management software, and security tools. Timely installation of security patches helps protect systems from known threats and exploits. 4. Data encryption and secure storage. Sensitive data should be encrypted both during transmission and storage. Encryption ensures that even if data is intercepted, it cannot be easily accessed or misused. Libraries should also implement secure storage solutions and restrict access to confidential data such as user records and login credentials. 5. Backup and disaster recovery planning. Regular data backups are essential to protect against data loss due to cyber attacks, system failures, or natural disasters. Libraries should maintain both on-site and off-site backups. A well-defined disaster recovery plan ensures that services can be restored quickly in case of an incident. 6. User awareness and training. Human error is one of the leading causes of cybersecurity breaches. Therefore, libraries must conduct regular training programs for staff and users. Users should be educated about phishing attacks, safe browsing practices, and the importance of protecting personal information. For example, staff should be trained to recognize suspicious emails and avoid clicking on unknown links. 7. Implementation of security policies. Libraries should develop comprehensive cybersecurity policies that define rules for data access, usage, and protection. These policies should include guidelines for password management, data sharing, and incident reporting. Clear policies ensure accountability and help maintain consistency in security practices. 8. Monitoring and incident response. Continuous monitoring of systems and networks helps detect unusual activities and potential threats. Libraries should use monitoring tools to track access and identify security breaches. An incident response plan should be in place to handle cyber attacks effectively. This includes identifying the problem, containing the threat, and restoring normal operations. 9. Use of licensed and secure software. Libraries should use only licensed and trusted software to reduce the risk of malware and vulnerabilities. Open source software should also be carefully evaluated for security. Avoiding pirated software is essential, as it often contains hidden threats. 10. Collaboration and compliance. Libraries should follow national and international standards for data protection and cybersecurity. Collaboration with IT professionals and adherence to institutional policies strengthens security measures. Compliance with regulations ensures that libraries maintain legal and ethical standards in data protection. Challenges in implementation. Despite these strategies, libraries may face challenges such as limited budgets, lack of technical expertise, and rapid technological changes. Smaller libraries, in particular, may find it difficult to implement advanced security systems. Balancing open access to information with strict security measures is another significant challenge. Conclusion. In conclusion, protecting library data and networks from cyber threats requires a comprehensive and multi-layered approach. Strategies such as strong access control, network security, data encryption, regular updates, user awareness, and effective policies are essential for safeguarding digital resources. By adopting these measures and continuously updating their security practices, libraries can ensure the safety, integrity, and confidentiality of their information systems while maintaining trust and accessibility for users.